We just gotta play it calm, cool, and collective. We got this. I tried to speed run it the first couple times I played this, and it's not gonna happen. We gotta get the king back to his family. Yeah. Ooh. This is different. They keep changing it on me. Stage 2. Why is this stage 2? This is hard. I can't step over there. He's gonna snipe me. I can go here. Holy cow, my brain is sweating. Don't step on that white square. Oh, we gotta go all the way around. Oh my gosh. That was way too hard for stage 2. They got like half an army. I'm facing an army. So don't step on the black square. You gotta go around gently. Watch that knight over there. But he's on a black square and then he gets blocked. Okay. You gotta get close to the knights and give them a hug. I can't step on that white square. I'm watching now, man. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Stage 3. Slaughtered. Man, this game makes me so nervous. It's such a good game. Okay, don't go through there. Oh, I love this. This is perfect. This is what I needed, man. It relaxes me. But it's also so terrifying. It's relaxingly terrifying. He can't get me. You're just a knight, you ain't no bishop. Yeah. Okay, this is the stage that stumped me last time. Stage 5. Wait. This is different. There was bishops blocking. There was a knight blocking the way. This is not scary at all. So these are randomly generated or what? Or maybe there was like the last stage boss or something. Okay. I am not afraid. I figured out, just get close to the knights and they can't hurt you. Try to stay in a straight line. Ooh. How do I get near that guy? What? Where did he come from? Ayatane. Oh, how do I get around that knight up there? Right? How do you get around that knight? Okay. Oh, hold up here, hold up here. You can't get me there. That's the only way to get over to him. And go right up to his face. Yeah. I'm back. Where's my dinner? All right. They can jump at me from diagonal. They have the power. They have the technology. This is quite the pawn maze. I can't go that side. Because it's blocked off with the wall, and I can't go that way. Oh, man, what is... Straight up to you. Nope. Wow, you can't see. You gotta go by blind faith, man. Okay, you can't get me. You can't hurt my feelings. Ooh, slip of the joystick. The controller thingy. All right, where's my Happy Meal? I am back. Bring it. Bishop, I see that square. I can slip right by you. Oh, no. No, yeah. I have to go this way. Just kind of zigzag along. What? He's blocking the way, man. Hold on. And there's a bishop down there. What? How am I gonna get through there? I can't go diagonally. I see it. Oh, only one path. That bishop sniper was there. He was gonna take me out. Look at me, man. I'm playing like a champ. Holy cow, stage 9. I only died once. Oh, the knights are so terrifying. Can't go there. You can't get me here. Oh, my brain is hurting. That's good. Brain sweat. I can't step on any more squares. I can't step on there. I can't go anywhere. What the heck, dude? What? So I gotta go this side. Get away from this guy. Oh my gosh, this is... Okay. Guys, come and help me out. My queen's just sitting there. Lax while her king suffers. Oh my gosh, so I gotta... Oh! Oh my gosh, this is terrifying. Okay, you can't touch me. You can't touch me. Can't go there, I'll get sniped out by the... Every move counts. Oh, where's my supper? Holy cow, dude, this is crazy. Beginner level 10. Come on now. I want to see the harder stage. This is hard. Ooh, there's a little pawn there, sniper. You guys can't touch me. I see those black squares are covered. And I went to push sideways. Oh, one life left. One life. I only got one life left. I wanted to go down, dude. That's exactly what I wanted. Don't be a... Okay, that's not a bishop. Don't be a bishop. No! Oh, man. Oh, man. I think my soul left my body for a second there. I'm back, though. Level complete. Level 11. Come on, we're going for gold. We're gonna beat all these. Is there anyone behind there? I wish I could take a peek so I could see. This looks like trouble. Use that pawn as a shield. Oh yeah. Stage 12. I've never made it this far before. This is like brand new territory. Oh, and it's terrifying. And it's such a good way. Don't step on the white squares. Checkmate! No! Oh, I'll be back. I'll be back. How long was that game? 8 minutes.